Viewers, this is important video for you that would tell you about different pedagogical techniques, advantages of pedagogical techniques and pedagogical approaches. It would also tell you how to provide deeper understanding, critical things, encouraging students to ask questions. Pedagogy refers to the practice of different teaching methods depending subjects and approaches. It is different advantages. It encompasses a wide range of teaching methods and approaches, each with its own set of advantages, such as it enhances engagement of learners by keep active them doing hands-on activities, discussions on interest-based subject matter. It provides deeper understanding, critical things, encouraging students to ask questions, help to clear concepts of learners, inculcate exploring urges, develop communication skill, provide teamwork environment, enhance interpersonal skills, by promoting innovative creativity, provide relatively more interactive learning sessions, enhance student motivation, willingness to learn, and the most one that it is boot encouragement of lifelong learning beyond the classroom. The combination and application of these techniques depend on various factors such as the subject matter, the age group of students, available resources, and the specific learning objectives of a particular lesson or curriculum. Employing a mix of pedagogical techniques often proves beneficial in catering to diverse learners and creating a rich and effective learning environment. Pedagogy has different approaches. Prominent pedagogical approaches are constructivism, which emphasizes active learning, where students construct their understanding and knowledge through experiences and reflection rather than passive reception of information. Collaborative learning, which involves group work and interaction among students to solve problems, discuss concepts, and learn from each other. Experiential learning, which commonly known as learning by doing. In this approach, students engage in hands-on experiences to gain knowledge, reflecting on and applying what they've learned in real-world situations. In differentiated instructions, teaching method is adopted and contents are accommodated in diverse learning styles depending upon the abilities and interests of students within the same classroom. Indirect instruction is also regarded as teacher-centered approach, where teacher deliver structured lessons, often involving lectures, demonstrations, and explicit teaching of skills. There is another pedagogical skill called project-based learning, wherein students investigate and respond to complex questions or challenges by engaging in an extended, real-world project, promoting critical thinking and problem-solving skills. The effectiveness of a pedagogical approach depends on factors such as the subject matter, the age group of students, cultural considerations, and the purpose of education. Often, a blend of different pedagogical strategies known as a pedagogical mix is employed to cater to diverse learning needs and create engaging learning environments.